In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your withdrawal history on Vantage markets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then on the dashboard, I want you to click the funds section. This will forward you to the client portal. Now, this is where all your account activities will appear. You have the deposit, transfers, order history, and of course the withdrawals history. If you have made withdrawals before, they will appear here with details such as order number, trading account, method, amount, status, action, order date and time, and of course if it's going to be like in the processing status or already completed. But since this is a brand new account, there are currently no transactions showing here, but if you have multiple withdrawals, this is where you track them. Remember, if your withdrawal says pending, it's still being processed because processing times depend on your payment method, and if you don't see any withdrawal, double check the date filter. If you have any issues, on the bottom right corner, there is an option here to contact the Vantage support. Type in your questions and they will guide you along the way on how to potentially fix your issue. And basically that's it for today's video on how to check your withdrawal history on Vantage markets. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.